Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about मैं वापस आऊंगा box office collections. Extraordinary run continues in second week rupees 30 crore in 12 days. Yesterday was the biggest day of the run so far in terms of admissions at around 2.5 lakh, surpassing its second Sunday by Jatinder Singh, published on 24 June 2026. मैं वापस आऊंगा collected rupees 3 crore net approx on its second Tuesday. The film grew by 20% from the previous day, while the week-on-week growth was 80%. Yesterday was the biggest day of the run so far in terms of admissions at around 2.5 lakh, surpassing its second Sunday discount. Tuesday remains the best things to come out of the exhibition sector in a long time. The 12-day running total for the Imtiaz Ali directed film stands at rupees 30 crore net approx, with the film headed to be around rupees 34 to 35 crore net by the end of the second week. The film is now in contention to be a success, although there is still considerable ground to cover to push beyond rupees 60 crore net. The film will need to maintain drops of under 50% over the next 3 weeks, preferable closer to 40%. The competition is going to be tight, with Welcome to the Jungle Alpha and Damal for releasing over the next 3 weeks, so it won't be easy. Also critical is going to be overseas. The film was unable to fully capitalize on its growing momentum this week due to several shows showcasing cuts in its second weekend. In Australia, it was down to just 5 cinemas from 57 in its opening week, while in the United States it was playing in fewer than 20 locations. The hope will be for showcasing to improve in the next week, as a film has potential to do good biz overseas. The current total stands at USD 1.40 million. If all goes well, it can go on to collect around or over USD 3 million. The box office collections of मैं वापस आऊंगा in India are as follows. Disclaimer. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.